Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to disable ending phone calls by pressing the lock or power button in iPhone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone device, right? So by default in most of the iPhones, whatever happens when we get a call and we press the lock or power button, then the phone calls get disconnected, right? So how you can disable these options? So first let me show you by making a call. So right now you can see I'm getting a call, right? So now whenever I press this power or lock button, now you can see the call has been disconnected. So how you can disable these features? So for this, just go to the settings and just scroll down and you can see your accessibility. Just tap on it and now you will see here one option, touch. Just tap on it and just scroll down and you will see here one option, prevent lock to end call. Just enable it. Now let us try calling again and let us check if this really gonna work or not. So let me do a phone call again. So right now you can see, now let us press the lock or power button. So let me press it. Let me show you. So still you can see here the call is not being disconnected again. So using this method you can easily disable ending phone calls by pressing the lock or power button in iPhone very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.